I know you love hearing the lawyer drama, but this one has a surprise twist. My name is Paige Sparks. I'm an employment lawyer, but every once in a while I get suckered into doing someone's traffic ticket, and I kind of like doing them when they're challenging. A friend of mine that's a lawyer reached out recently for help with one of his personal injury clients that had a decade-old traffic ticket that the prosecutor wouldn't change. In Missouri, we keep track of points on license. So you want to get every traffic ticket you can fixed so you don't get points on your license because it will make your insurance go up for 3 years. Usually, once a lawyer enters their appearance on your behalf, the prosecutor will amend tickets to non-moving violations so you don't get any points on your license. As long as you didn't hurt anyone and you have insurance or at least proof of insurance now, most prosecutors just fix it. My friend asked for help for this ticket because he had already done all the normal things that we do to get tickets amended, and it's not a complex thing at all. And the prosecutor told him no for a ticket that was expired plates from 10 years old. We're talking about a nonviolent crime here. So this person got the ticket, it was 10 years old, they kind of forgot about it because he did not appear, it went to warrant, so you can't just get a ticket fixed. And he was understandably concerned about turning himself in for the warrant because the prosecutor was like, you need to pay for your crimes at 10 years old, you've been evading the law, I'm not amending anything. And that's not normal. Enter me coming in being pleasantly annoying, asking every week for this to be amended and for a new recommendation, and him telling me no every week, and I'm like, what is your problem? I had to appear in court in the middle of nowhere, and I think he was being so difficult because he thought I wouldn't show up. A lot of lawyers would not have shown up in the middle of Missouri over a $50 traffic ticket, but I had a point to prove too because this guy was being like, what I thought to be so power trippy, like we're talking about a traffic ticket here, like are you running for governor? What's your angle? I totally get he's just doing his job. So am I. Get to court and we had this really great reasonable judge because I was like, worst case scenario, we'll enter a blind plea to this stupid traffic ticket in front of the judge, explain the situation, and the judge could give him suspended imposition of sentence, which means it won't go on his record as long as he successfully completes probation, he's good. So I get there to talk with the prosecutor and I was like, hey, this is what I'm gonna ask the judge for. This is like the last chance for us to do it nicely before I go up and announce it. And he was like, okay, yeah, we'll do all that as long as your client does whatever hours of community service. So I ended up spending about 10 hours of my life I'll never get back, but it was totally worth it because he was finally reasonable and I consider that a win.